My type A self loves New Year's resolutions. I love it, but let's be real, haven't we all set some goals and just give up after a few weeks? I, for sure, was one of these people who just loaded up on New Year's motivation and then after a few days, maybe a few weeks, just giving up. But what if I told you that your space can actually help you to stay motivated and to support you in the new year? So in today's video, I will be talking about New Year home reset routine that will make your space feel cleaner, lighter, and more supportive. We will go through how to close a holiday season, how to declutter, maybe some things that you have missed while cleaning, and some rearranging that you can do to your space to make it more beneficial to you. If you're new here, hi, I'm Maja. I'm a designer and I focus on creating interiors that support well-being. And I really believe that our homes can benefit our lives. Let's start with closing the Christmas chapter. You want to mentally and visually end the season. You want to hide your Christmassy decor, but at the same time, you want to leave the decor that is related to winter, because remember, we still have January, February, and March before we can even start talking about spring. So you still want your space to feel cozy, just not Santa cozy. This is also the perfect time to declutter your Christmas decor, things that you haven't used, things that didn't really make your home feel festive or that you didn't enjoy as much as you thought you would. Things that are broken, you can repair them so that when December comes, you don't have to do it. Also, it's easier to declutter and minimize things when you are over the season without this excitement of seeing decor after a long time and they want to use it all. So while you are putting everything into the boxes, you can also go through it and think realistically what you want to keep and what should be passed down the way or something. Actually, if you have space at home, it's better to keep the things that you want to get rid of in another box, because now after the Christmas there is no demand for Christmas decor, but in November you can most likely sell it secondhand and it will be easy to do, because then everyone wants something new in their homes. Just remember not to open it before selling or donating, because you probably will have this need to keep it. After all, you can write a note why you don't actually like this object or why you have made the decision to get rid of it, to convince your future self that it's not really needed. The fact that it's after Christmas has another advantage, because you have already cleaned. You probably have done the deep cleaning before Christmas. So right now you just need to maintain what was cleaned, make a quick swipe of your kitchen, things that could get dirty at Christmas, maybe refreshing your textiles like bedding, quick surface cleanup, but most likely you have already done the hardest work before Christmas. So actually this point in home reset could be the easiest one at the moment. So after your probably quick cleaning session, it's time to declutter the forgotten areas. Probably you didn't do a wardrobe declutter before Christmas. It's a really nice way to refresh before the new year or at the beginning of the new year. Also, cosmetics and skincare, maybe you have some outdated products, maybe there is something that you're not using, maybe it's bad for your skin. Other area of your home that is not in before Christmas related cleaning can be electronics and cables. Also, I'm sure you have some junk drawers that you have been avoiding before Christmas. So think of the areas at your home that haven't been looked at for a longer time and go through them. Clutter. Ask yourself what gives you joy. Ask yourself what will benefit you in upcoming year if you have been using something last year. In the topic of junk drawers, I think that cleaning your drop zones is really beneficial at the beginning of the year because it can give you the feeling of fresh slate. So if you have a junk drawers, if you have entryway cabinet when all the mail goes to, if you have flyers pinned to your fridge door, if you have papers or documents on your desk, those spaces that you have at your home where you put anything that you get but don't want to think about at the moment. So it's a pile of important documents or a pile of things to do that just grows and grows and grows. So this is the perfect opportunity to do it and to, first of all, throw out everything that isn't up to date, throw out all the junk mail, throw out flyers, combine all the to-do lists into one larger list. If something takes less than 5 minutes, do it right away and don't even put it on the big list. Just clean up all the messy things that not only clutter your space but also clutter your mind, and you have to think about them. You have them in the back of your mind but you don't want to do anything about it. Just have a day or half a day to do all those small things. If something is bigger, then have larger list, but just clear the drop zones and also the drop zones in your mind. After cleaning and declutter, you can take a breath and reflect on what's working at your home and what isn't. Ask yourself what was annoying to you at your home, in your space last year. What felt heavy? What felt cluttered? Where did you feel most at ease and why? And what would you like to change next year about your space? When you do it, of course, apply it to your life. If you feel like some stuff can be more time consuming, then you can also put it on the master list with every to-do things. But just remember that you can improve your space, but you need to be aware of what needs improving. And now is my favorite part of this reset routine, which is aligning your home to your goals and New Year's resolutions. So remember at the beginning of the video, I said that your home, your space can support your goals. It not only can motivate you, but it can help you make your goals and habits that you want to create more easy, simple, enjoyable, maybe even. Let's take, for example, some popular goals that people are setting. This could be moving more, working out. You can create a workout setup. You can have a basket with a yoga mat and some dumbbells in your living room next to the space that would be the easiest to work out in. It's really simple, but by making it easy to grab, by making it visible, you are increasing your chances of doing this habit. If you want to read more, make your books more visible. Make a cozy reading list and use your books on that reading list as a coffee table book. Put a book next to your bed on a bedside table. Place books where you are spending the most of your time, where you are sitting most frequently at home. Maybe then when you sit on your sofa and you are scrolling by your phone and you see this book on the coffee table, there are higher chances that you will close the app and just grab a book and read more. You need a visual reminder to make this decision. And books are perfect for decor. If you have a book with nice cover, like perfection, you want your home to scream, the person who's living here is intellectual, likes to read, spends her time without screens. It's a good look, but also it's a good reminder for your brain. Next thing, drinking water. You can have beautiful carafe next to your bed so that when you wake up in the morning, you already have it there. There are those carafes that have glass that works as a cup. How would you you cover it with the glass, and it's pretty, it's slick, it is a reminder to do it. You can have it on your table, you can have it on your desk. It can feel really stupid because it's that small, but it really makes a difference. If you have it within the reach of your hand, there is higher possibility that you will use. Okay, one more. If you want to sleep better, you can rearrange your bedroom to make it more softer. That will create this environment that makes you want to relax, and it will send your body the signals to relax, to slow down, and to go to sleep. I have recorded a video about rearranging your bedroom to support your sleep patterns, so I will link it. You can reset your visual cues to feel like this fresh start with small details. Of course, change your calendar if you have a wall calendar. To be honest, changing your calendar in freshly cleaned and decluttered space is the whole different feeling of changing calendar when you still have like Christmas decor and you are not fully in the new year. So this should be the last point on your list because you want to feel like it's a cherry on top. Change your calendar. If you are creating a vision board, if you have old vision board from the last year, then swap it. If it's something new that you are doing, then place it somewhere where you will see it daily and it will remind you of your goals. I really believe that our decor should be personal, so I think that using your vision board as a poster or artwork is a really good idea, and it can really benefit you not only mentally but also make your space more in tune with you and show more of your personality, your aspirations, make it more your. And lastly, enjoy your space. You are doing this reset to feel better in your home. You are doing this reset to feel motivated by your space. So after you do all of this, you can just make yourself a cup of tea, take a blanket, sit down, light a candle, and absorb this fresh feeling of a clean space, clean slate, new chapter, and everything that's about to come within New Year. I have this idea that I hope I will be able to do. I think it could be a really nice way to connect a little bit more. In the comments, I want you to leave me your New Year resolution, and I will try to come up with a suggestion that how you can implement it into your space. Hopefully it won't be too hard for me, but it's a challenge. Maybe, hopefully I will be able to help you. If not, then this will be major failure, but let's see what we can accomplish. If you have enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, please give us a like. If you want to see more from me, subscribe, and I will see you next week. And also, here's a video about the bedroom here or here somewhere. Bye!